Tavukgöğsü, Turkish tavukgöğsü, ģøː́sy, chicken breast, is a Turkish milk pudding made with shredded chicken breast. It became one of the most famous delicacies served to the Ottoman sultans in the Topkapı Palace. It is today considered a signature dish of Turkey. The traditional version uses white chicken breast meat, preferably freshly slaughtered capon. The meat is softened by boiling and separated into very fine fibers or rillettes. Modern recipes often pound the meat into a fine powder instead. The meat is mixed with milk, sugar, cracked rice and/or other thickeners, and often some sort of flavoring such as cinnamon. The result is a thick pudding often shaped for presentation. The dish is very similar to the medieval white dish, blancmange, that was common in the upper-class cuisine of Europe and mentioned in the Canterbury Tales, though blancmange has since evolved into very different forms in modern Europe and Latin America. See also: List of chicken dishes. Muhallebi. Turkish cuisine. References. Bibliography. Basin, Gilly, 2005. The Middle Eastern Kitchen. Hippocrene Books. ISBN 978-078-181-1. Güner, Mi1ne, 1990. Turkish Cookery. Istanbul, Net Touristic YAY1 LAR. ISBN 975-479-107. Humes, Michelle, 20 August 2009. When Meat Becomes Dessert. The Atlantic. Co. Sophie Dobzhansky, 1994. America's First Cuisines. University of Texas Press. ISBN 978-0-292-71159-4. https://web.archive.org/web/20100723190438/http://moreintelligentlife.com/content/lifestyles/John-Fezem and repasts blancmange.